Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a tummy time water mat. First, select a flat, stable surface for your baby's mat, ensuring it is clean and clear of any sharp objects. Next, gather your supplies. You will need lukewarm water and a small air pump. Having everything ready beforehand makes the setup process smooth and quick, allowing you more time for fun tummy time with your little one. Now, let's fill the water chamber. Find the water valve, typically a small opening on the mat's side. Carefully pour in about 2 to 3 cups of lukewarm water. This amount provides enough sensory stimulation without making the mat too heavy or firm. Be sure not to overfill, as this can cause leaks or make the mat uncomfortable for your baby. Securely close the valve once filled. Next, we will inflate the outer ring of your tummy time mat. Locate the air valve, usually a separate opening from the water valve, on the mat's perimeter. Use a small hand pump to gently inflate this section until it feels firm but not rigid. Overinflating can stress the seams and potentially damage the mat, so aim for a comfortable, supportive firmness. Close the air valve tightly after inflation. Before placing your baby on the mat, perform a quick check for any leaks from the water valve or air escaping from the outer ring. Ensure all valves are securely closed. Now, your tummy time water mat is ready. Place your baby on their tummy for short, supervised sessions, typically 3 to 5 minutes at a time. Remember to clean the mat regularly with mild soap and water for hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.